Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. In our last lecture we had warm-up session, workout session and yoga session too. I hope you are all doing good exercise regularly. I suggest to have a plan on paper and decide a suitable time for your daily exercise, preferably in the morning. Since we all know about basic exercises and workouts, now it's time to know more about different games and competition events. In our school, we do participate in various competitions such as Sakar School Olympics, DOSO competition and CBSE competition. As you know, our school had great achievements in the previous competitions. For example, we had some students won medals in district, state and national level competitions. To name few, Parthavi Soundke had won gold medal in state level 100-meter run competition and participated in national level competition. In relay, we had Parthavi Soundke, Tanvi Ingre, Shravani Rokde and Manisha Chaudhary won silver medal in CBSE state competitions. Whenever school starts and the competitions begins, we should keep ourselves ready. Also, I know we cannot have practice of various games now, but we can keep ourselves fit and ready for the competitions by doing regular exercise. In this period, along with the regular exercise, we will learn and understand various games. We will see what are the different types of games, what are their rules and how we can do much better going forward. Today, we will talk about athletics, which is the most important if we consider inter-school, district level and state level and national level competitions. Athletics is crucial part of competitions such as Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and Olympics too. So let's get started. Let's take a look at today's agenda. First of all, we will see what exactly athletics is. We will see what is the history of athletics, when it started, where it started and how it evolved over the period of the time. I believe you will find this information quite interesting. Various athletics competitions are organized in local, district, state, national and international level. We will talk especially about the Olympics and other competitions. Then we will see what different events are included in the athletics. What different competitions are held in athletics. Then we will talk about track events in details. Regarding field events and other events like marathons, race walking and cross country running, we will see in next session in details. For this session, we will focus on only track events such as sprints, hurdles and relays. We will see what are basic rules of athletics, especially for running events. What is athletics? The word athletics is derived from Greek word athlos. Meaning of athlos is contest or task. History of athletics. Let's see how athletics started and evolved over the period of time till date. First ancient Olympics was held in 776 BC in Olympia, which is a small town in Greece. It was a stadium sprint race where athletes run from one end of the stadium to another. The total distance of the race was somewhere more than 200 meters. Over the years, Olympics is evolved rules are defined and standardized by International Olympic Committee. The first modern Olympic was held in Athens city in Greece in 1896. Later, in every 4 years, Olympics were held in different countries except 1940 and 1944 when Second World War happened. This year's Olympic was supposed to happen in Tokyo, Japan. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, it has been postponed to summer 2021. International Olympics Committee will take a decision on the dates depending upon the COVID-19 issue and other factors related to organizing the events. Next Winter Olympics will be held in Beijing, China. Then next Olympics will be held in France, Italy and United States. Olympics plan is ready up to 2028 because organizing Olympics is huge set of activities and complex process. It also involves lot of funds in millions of dollars. Let's see about Olympics. Olympics is the one of the most important competition for any athlete. There are 5 types of Olympics, namely Summer Olympics, Winter Olympics, Paralympics, Youth Olympics and Special Olympics. The Summer Olympics occurs in summer, which enables more sporting events due to the conducive weather conditions. Summer Olympics is the main out of these all since it is the biggest one. About 206 countries are expected to be the part of the competitions. The Winter Olympics occurs during the season when all the sports which require ice and snow take place. These events include ice hockey, snowboarding, figure skating, bobsleigh and ski jumping, etc. Paralympics is designed for physically challenged people. The primary difference between the Olympics and Paralympics is that while most of the participants in the Olympics are able-bodied, the participants in the Paralympics are affected by some form of physical disability. Special Olympics is meant for children and adults with intellectual disabilities and physical disabilities. Let's see other competitions. As we saw, Olympics are most important competitions. There are other crucial competitions also. For examples, various national level competitions, Commonwealth Games, Asian Games, etc. The Athletics Federation of India is the apex body for running and managing athletics in India and affiliated to the IAAF, AAA and India Olympic Association. The 2022 World Athletics Championships will be held in Eugene, Oregon, United States. Commonwealth Game is also one of the most important competitions. 2022 Commonwealth Games will be held in Birmingham, England. India had hosted Commonwealth Games in Delhi in year 2011. Let's understand what is Commonwealth nation. Every nation which was under British rule or was the part of British colony is known as Commonwealth nation. Only these countries can participate in Commonwealth Games. That's why United States of America, China or Japan cannot participate in the Commonwealth Games since these countries were never ruled by British. Let's say about athletic events. Athletics is considered to be mother of all games and is in fact the way of living and not just a sport. An athlete is an all-round sports person with skills for cricket, football, tennis and has immense control of his body and senses. Athletics not only builds you physically but it helps in body coordination and gives you mental stiffness. Athletics is an exclusive collection of sporting events that involve competitive running, jumping, throwing and walking. The most common types of athletics competitions are track and field, road running, cross country running and race walking. Now let's see what are different categories of the athletic competitions. The most common types of athletics competitions are track and field, road running, cross country running and race walking. Track and field is a sport which includes athletic contests established on the skills of running, jumping and throwing. There are many events which we will see further next slide. Now first let's understand road running, cross country running and race walking. Road running is the sport of running on a major course over an established road as opposed to track and field and cross country running. These events are usually classified as long distance according to athletics terminology, with races typically ranging from 5 kilometers to 42.2 kilometers in the marathon. 5-kilometer runs, 10-kilometer runs, half marathons and marathons are the examples of road running. I believe some of you might have participated in the Pune Marathon where we can run for different kilometers per our capability. Next is cross country running. It is a sport in which teams and individuals run a race on open air courses over natural terrain such as dirt or grass. Sometimes the runners are referred to as harriers. International Cross Country Championships and IAAF World Cross Country Championships are examples of the cross country running. Next is race walking. Race walking is a long distance discipline within the sport of athletics. Although it is a foot race, it is different from running in that one foot must appear to be in contact with the ground at all times. Track and field events. Track events include running events such as sprints, middle distance run, long distance run, hurdles and relays. We will see what are different types of within these all events in next slide. Field events includes all kind of jumping and throwing events such as long jump, high jump and hammer throw. Combined events. Combined events mainly consist of 3 events, namely pentathlon, heptathlon and decathlon. Track events. Track events include sprints, middle distance running, long distance running, hurdles and relays. In sprints, there are 60 meter, 100 meter, 200 meter and 400 meter running events. 60 meter sprint event is played in indoor track in World Championships only. In middle distance running events, there are 800 meter, 1500 meter and 3000 meter running events. Long distance run. These events include 5000 meter and 10,000 meter running events. In hurdles, there are 60 meter, 100 meter, 110 meter, 400 meter and 3000 meter steeplechase. 60 meter hurdles event is played in indoor track in World Championships only. The 3000 meter steeplechase is an obstacle race over the distance of the 3000 meters, which derives its name from the horse racing steeplechase. And relays include 4 by 100 meter and 4 by 400 meter running events. Now let's talk about rules of athletics. You know that every game has its own rules. Every player has to follow the rules while playing that specific game. For example, in cricket, we all know that if batsman hits the ball over the boundary line, it is called as 6. But if the fielder catches the ball before the boundary line, then the player is out. These are the rules of cricket, which is very well known to everyone. Similarly, athletics has its own rules in running competitions. Let's watch Khelo India's video to understand.
आज हम जानेंगे एथलेटिक्स के बारे में। एथलेटिक्स में बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं और हम इन्हें बेहतर जानने के लिए ट्रैक और फील्ड इवेंट्स की श्रेणी में बांट सकते हैं। आइए सबसे पहले ट्रैक इवेंट्स के बारे में जानते हैं। रनिंग इवेंट्स में स्प्रिंट्स, मिडिल और लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रनिंग खास होते हैं। रनिंग इवेंट्स में स्प्रिंट्स 100 मीटर, 200 मीटर, 400 मीटर, हर्डल्स 110 मीटर, 100 मीटर, 400 मीटर, रिलेज 4 by 100 मीटर, 4 by 400 मीटर, मिडिल डिस्टेंस 800 मीटर, 1500 मीटर, 3000 फ्लैट और स्टीपल चेज, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस 5000 मीटर, 10,000 मीटर, मैराथन, रेस वॉकिंग, स्प्रिंट रेसिंग। ट्रैक इवेंट्स में स्टैंडर्ड ट्रैक 400 मीटर्स ओवल अंडे के आकार का होता है, जिसमें 2 स्ट्रेट लाइन और 2 कर्व्स होते हैं। इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स में 8 लेन्स होती हैं और हर एक की विड्थ 1.22 मीटर्स होनी जरूरी है। स्प्रिंट इवेंट क्राउच, सिटिंग और स्टार्ट कमांड से शुरू होते हैं। खिलाड़ी गन फायर पर रेस शुरू करते हैं, जिसकी कमांड इस तरह से होती है: ऑन योर मार्क्स, सेट, गन फायर। स्प्रिंट रेसेस में स्टैगर मेथड यूज होता है। रेस में वो जीतता है जो सबसे कम समय में रेस पूरी करता है। खिलाड़ी को इस बात का ख्याल रखना चाहिए कि वो अपनी लेन में ही भागे, लेन चेंज और लेन कटिंग ना हो और फाउल स्टार्ट ना हो, वरना वो निलंबित किया जा सकता है। आजकल ट्रैक में होने वाले प्रत्येक इवेंट के खिलाड़ी स्पाइक्स पहनकर भागते हैं। अभ्यास के समय जूते और स्पाइक्स दोनों का प्रयोग करते हैं समय समय पर। तो आइए अब हम रेस के चैंपियंस बनते हैं। मिडिल डिस्टेंस रेसिंग, मेन इवेंट 800 मीटर, 1500 मीटर्स, 3000 फ्लैट और स्टीपल चेज। मिडिल डिस्टेंस रनिंग में स्टैंडिंग स्टार्ट और कर्व स्टार्ट होता है। इसमें स्टार्ट कमांड ऐसे होता है: ऑन योर मार्क्स और फिर गन फायर। जिसके बाद खिलाड़ी भागना शुरू करते हैं। खिलाड़ी अपनी सुविधा के अनुसार रेस आरंभ होने के बाद प्रथम लेन में आ सकते हैं। मिडिल डिस्टेंस रेसिंग इवेंट्स में खिलाड़ी राइट साइड से ही ओवरटेक कर सकते हैं। इनर लेन से ओवरटेक करने पर फाउल माना जाता है। इन रेस में एक साथ मैक्सिमम 16 खिलाड़ी भागते हैं। अगर ज्यादा हो तो हीट्स यानी क्वालिफायर्स होते हैं। 800 मीटर की रेस में हाफ स्टैगर दिया जाने लगा है। लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में 5000, 10,000 मैराथन और रेस वॉकिंग इवेंट्स होते हैं। इनका स्टार्ट भी स्टैंडिंग होता है मिडिल डिस्टेंस की तरह। लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रनिंग के रूल्स भी मिडिल डिस्टेंस रनिंग की तरह होते हैं। मैराथन इवेंट्स, फुल मैराथन और हाफ मैराथन। इसमें जो रनर सबसे कम समय में डिस्टेंस कवर करने में सफल रहता है वो विजेता माना जाता है। मैराथन रनिंग रोड पर होती है और इसमें अगर कोई खिलाड़ी किसी अन्य खिलाड़ी को गलत तरीके से रोकने या रुकावट डालने का प्रयास करता है तो उस खिलाड़ी को फाउल का सामना करना पड़ सकता है। रेस वॉकिंग, इसमें 3 कैटेगरीज होती हैं। अंडर 16 के लिए 5 किलोमीटर, अंडर 20 के लिए 10 किलोमीटर, सीनियर कैटेगरी में 20 और 50 किलोमीटर। इस इवेंट के कुछ खास नियम होते हैं, जैसे वॉक करते हुए खिलाड़ी का एक पाँव हमेशा जमीन पर टिका होना चाहिए और खिलाड़ी का जो पाँव जमीन पर होता है उसका नी हमेशा स्ट्रेट रहना चाहिए। जमीन पर एक पाँव का कांटेक्ट न रहने पर, नी बेंड होने पर, रनिंग या जंपिंग करने पर फाउल हो सकता है। 3 वार्निंग के बाद रेफरी के द्वारा खिलाड़ी रेस से बाहर किया जाता है।
Now let's summarize this session. First we saw what is athletics. The word athletics came from Greek word athlos, means contest or task. Then we saw history of athletics. The first modern Olympic was held in Athens city in Greece in 1896. After that, we reviewed Olympics and other competitions. There are 5 types of Olympics: Summer Olympics, Winter Olympics, Paralympics, Youth Olympics, and Special Olympics. Now we know that athletics is an exclusive collection of sporting events that involve competitive running, jumping, throwing, and walking events. Most common types of athletics competitions are track and field, road running, cross country running, and race walking. Then we saw track and field is a sport which includes athletic contests established on the skills of running, jumping, and throwing. In track, events include sprints, middle distance running, long distance running, hurdles, and relays. And the end, we saw Khelo India's video of basic rules of athletics. Now, I believe you are very well familiar with the athletics, its types, competitions, and its rules. I'm sure that this information will be useful for you going forward. Before signing off the session, I am going to give you a gentle reminder, which is do exercise regularly and follow balanced diet. It will keep you fit. So stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.